I had mid-shaft stress fractures of the 4th and 5th metatarsals of my right foot. Actually, it was my dog who did it. He was a 130-pound Rottweiler who was kind enough to let my husband and I sleep in his queen-size waterbed. One night, he decided he was going to keep my feet warm and climbed up on the side of the bed where I was sleeping. He then proceeded to not so gently drop down onto my right foot. My reaction was to yank my foot out from underneath him, and in the process, broke those 2 bones. I'm going to focus mainly on the 5th metatarsal. If I were given one metatarsal bone to look at and decide which side of the body it came from, I would look at the tuberosity of the 5th metatarsal and the hollow spaces on the inside of it. The hollow spaces on the inside of it will allow for it to fit nicely with the 4th metatarsal and the cuboid bone of the ankle. Here you can see the tuberosity of the 5th metatarsal, and it fits nicely with the cuboid bone of the ankle. That brings us to the joints of the proximal end of the 5th metatarsal. We have gliding joints or plane joints. Now these allow for sliding, such as with plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, or it allows for twisting, such as an eversion or inversion. If we go back, then we look at the distal end down here, and the distal end is a condyloid joint for your toes, and that allows for flexion and extension. It allows for abduction and adduction. And that is my video on the bone that I broke.